calculated from price action and projected into the future to inform trades. Though many use price action to forecast future prices, prior price action does not guarantee future results. So the more a trader studies the past, the more obvious the moves become. Retail traders just want to trade. The fastest way to trade, not learn to trade, by the way, is indicators. Indicator reliance is probably the #1 reason retail traders fail, and the statistics are abysmal. 90% of retail traders will fail. Why? Because they're at best 50 to 55% right in their information. In other words, they lie to you. Price action, on the other hand, is always right. You have most likely heard the saying, price is king, and it is. Price action is learned from observing what the big boys do in the past and then watch for them to repeat it. And that is why chart patterns have predictability built into them. All right, so once you see it, you can't unsee it. So if you've never seen the arrow in a FedEx logo, there it is. You will never look at a FedEx logo again without seeing that arrow. All right, so once you see it, you can't unsee it. So how do I learn it? Step 1, delete all the indicators from your chart except the MACD. It is the only indicator with the ability to predict the future, and it's only 66% correct on a standard chart. It is 82% on ours. Step 2, start with patterns and do 300 of each one. Now you see it, the FedEx logo arrow. Pay attention to not only spotting the pattern, but what was it predicting the next move will be. You must know the statistical probability so that you can make a good trading decision. Step 3, learn to set your charts up with only the relevant information for today, not everything that could possibly affect this currency today. If you can afford it, find a solid mentor with a track record of their traders making it. It doesn't matter what his record is. He's been trading for 20 years. His record ought to be pretty good. But that's not what you can do. Most retail traders will lose way more than the cost of a mentor trying to learn to trade on their own. Practice on a micro account with no more than $500 in it. All right, let's look at bear flags as an example. This comes from chartpatterns.com, a great site. It's very simple, HTML, old school, but it's easy to understand. So you can see in a bear flag in a downtrend, the bear flag is a continuation pattern. In other words, if we're going down, the bear flag says, yep, and we're going to still go down. All right, so there are 3 bear flags on this pair. One here, one here, and one here. See how they predicted? We're going down. We're going to continue. Yep. We're going down. We're going to continue. Yep. We're going down. We're going to continue. Yep. See that? All right. Predictable. Price action is the study of predictability. The more you know, the easier it gets. Remember that the market repeats itself. The more you study price action, the clearer the market gets. It cannot be learned in 3 weeks, so get that out of your head. But it can be learned. And nearly all successful traders invested in a mentor, took the time to learn it, and then apply it every day in the market. And that is why they are successful. They put that statistical probability to work for them every day. Yes, the market makes some unpredictable moves, occasionally. But there is always a big boy agenda, and the astute trader uses price action to put the statistical probability on their side. So we train bank traders, hedge fund traders, prop traders, and full-time professional traders. Most of our traders are just trying to supplement or replace their income in the fastest way possible. Our teaching programs and over 200 videos are designed to do just that. And of course, you can download my book on Amazon, The Empowered Forex Trader. We have proven methodology and we have award-winning software. We also have a great community of traders. Some have been with me since 2005. So we'd love to have you watch us do this in real time in a live room. Just go to ProActTraders.com, sign up for a 10-day test drive, and you can see traders making hundreds, if not more, pips doing what this video is about. By the way, it's totally free. And don't forget, you need to like us, share this video, and subscribe. If you subscribe, you'll get notified when I put another video up. So hope this helps you in your trading journey. I'll talk with you later. Take care. Hey traders, this is Scott Barkley. Hey, I just finished a great new video. As you know, I put short little videos up there to help you on your journey, and this one's especially great. But my goal is to turn your pains into gains. After all, I wrote the book, The Empowered Forex Trader, Turning Pains into Gains. So I'm going to get out of here and we'll get right into the video. Okay, this is frustration number 3. We're solving the frustrations of being a Forex trader. And the frustration number 3 is difficulty in analyzing market data. All right, so keep it simple. You don't need all the data, only what is relevant for today. What data do I need to know? I need to know direction. I need to know where I am in the current move. Where is the target for today? What barriers are in the way of the target, and can the MACD confirm the above? So simplify. This is from the CIA, all right? They're saying with an experienced analyst, obtaining additional information generally does not improve the accuracy of his or her estimates. Additional information does, however, lead the analyst to become more confident in the judgment to the point of overconfidence. You don't want that in trading. Analysts actually use much less of the available information than they think they do. So if the CIA is telling their people who look for spies to reduce the amount of data they're taking in, that should be pertinent to us in the Forex. All right. So retail traders complicate analysis, not simplify it. If you have the data you need, the chart will confirm with a high degree of certainty what the agenda is for today, and there is always an agenda. So your job is to identify videos up there to help you on your journey, and this one's especially great, but my goal is to turn your pains into gains. After all, I wrote the book, The Empowered Forex Trader, Turning Pains into Gains. So I'm going to get out of here and we'll get right into the video. Okay, here's another frustration: unpredictable market movements. So if you find yourself looking like this, what are you doing? Then you need to watch this video. The market does make unpredictable market movements, but typically only because of a geopolitical event and a fundamental announcement, which is why we get flat during them, because they are unpredictable. Retail traders think that the market is chaotic solely because they don't understand price action. Reality is that there is order to what looks like chaos. Price action is what the big boys and the professional traders use to put order to the chaos. Why don't retail traders want to learn it? Because it takes time. It takes discipline. It usually takes a mentor to show and explain it. The good news is there is no rocket science in price action. So what is price action? This is from Investopedia. Price action generally refers to the changes of a